Yeah, it ain't gonna install itself. First thing to do would be pop that hood. It's kind of nasty under here. Clamps are loose. I can unplug what looks like the mass airflow sensor here. Relieve some hoses. Looks like there's about 4 of these, what I can tell. Not the worst. There's some 10mm bolts holding the bottom tray on. Looks like about 2 of them. One right here, and one over on the back side over here. All right, now the factory intake is completely removed. The old stock unit is the K&N unit. I got this one used, so most of the stuff's already on. Little brackets on the heat shield are connected already. The weather stripping is already connected. The fittings already on for the vacuum. So I'm gonna kind of mock it up a little bit and see how it's supposed to fit. Looks like the heat shield's supposed to go like that. The ground bolt will come undone and put back into place. The hole in the inner fender, this bracket will be able to secure to. And there's a hole here that bracket will be able to secure to. So it has the heat shield configuration. Adapter and gasket for the mass airflow sensor. Looks like that will attach with these brackets to those. Hold that into place. Here's an adapter for the air filter. Giant hose clamp for the filter. The adapter is going to slip on here. This coupler and clamps will hold the adapter. Looks like this coupler would also be needed right here. So I may be short one and have to go find one real quick. The mass airflow sensor needs to be transferred over to the intake tube. Alright, adapter will go on like that, and plug will be facing the back. There. Get the heat shield bolted down in place at those 3 points I found. 1, 2, and then 3 over there. So I gotta remove the ground. The fender was a tight one, but I used some extensions and was able to get it in. Just to put that one in. Alright, heat shield is secure in all 3 places. Put the intake tube in and then secure it on its mounting positions over there. All right, at this point, the intake tube is secured on both ends. At this point, I'll slap on the lines. This one isn't going to be long enough, so I will need something to extend it. Yeah, I reckon this will do the job. Gets a few more clamps. I'll go get some more hose clamps. 1, 2 more. I may have some laying around. An elbow I had and cut it down, and it fits. It'll probably angle it a little bit, but the clamps are on there tight. I got this one ready to go. I'll slip it on the intake tube and tighten it down. All right, air filter is tight. Everything's tightened. Do need to get some hose clamps. I did say that. And the last thing to do is plug in the mass airflow sensor. And here it is. Found some clamps. So I got him on. Well, install's done. Just need the engine cover back on. Mistake earlier on. I had the mass airflow sensor facing down. It has to be clocked up. One needs a stock system.